Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. Guys, I'm uploading this video after a long time, so guys, hope you all are well. Guys, if you are a learner or you are in IT, then this video will help you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2019. Guys, here I'm going to install the Windows Server on this virtual machine. Here I have created the virtual machine, so I have to start this machine by clicking on the start button. So guys, our virtual machine has started, so we have to keep wait until Windows installation program appeared. So guys, after finishes the loading, it will look like this. Here guys, you don't need to change any options, just click on next button to continue. Now guys, click on install button. Our setup process has started, please keep wait until it shows the next instruction. So guys, as you can see the list here, now from here you have to select the operating system edition. Guys, if you want hassle-free installation, then you have to select any edition with the desktop experience option. Here I'm going to select the last one. And guys, if you don't have command line experience, then don't select edition without desktop experience. After selection, click on next button. Now check on this terms option and then click on next button. Now guys, select the custom install option for fresh installation, or if you are doing upgradation from older version, then only select above one. So guys, here is the disk drive. Click on new. Here either we can create multiple drive by inputting the drive size value, or we can create only single drive without changing the value. So here I'm going to create only single drive. So click on apply button and then click OK button. Okay, now we will continue by clicking on next button. Guys, server installation process has almost the same as the client operating system installation. It will take time to install all the function and features. So guys, I'm going to fast forwarding this video. Guys, after basic installation, it will ask for the restart, or it will automatically restart the system by itself. And guys, if it's asked after the restart to press any key button, please don't press any key button. Okay? Otherwise, it will redirect to the installation process again. Again guys, you have to wait few minutes until the next instruction will appear. So again, I'm fast forwarding this video. So guys, now input the password and retype the password again. But remember, only strong password will work here. Let's show you. Guys, here I will type the simple password, which is 123456, and let's see what will happen. Okay. So let's the password. And here is my password. Let's retype the password again. As you can see, both passwords are same. Let's click on finish button to finish and see what will happen. As you can see, the error message got appear here just because server will not accept the simple password. Here we have to set the password with the combination of character, numeric and special character. And guys, here is my new password. Let's retype the password again. And let's see what will happen again. As you can see guys, the password has accepted. Okay. And guys, our installation has completely finished. Now we have to log in by pressing Alt Ctrl Delete button on your keyboard and then type the password. After typing the password, hit on enter button to apply. Guys, first time it will take time to load the desktop function. So guys, our server is completely ready now. Now we can install any function or feature on it. And guys, keep in touch because on our next video, I'm going to show you how to install ADDS function or Active Directory function on the server.